Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Here I teach basic concept behind any math problem and build strong math foundation for students. In this video we will see the application of this identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's take one question. First is 97 whole square. We can also write it as 100 minus 3 whole square. Here a will be 100 and b will be 3. Let's put this into formula. So a square means 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus b square, which is 3 square. So 100 square will be 10,000 minus it will be 600 plus 9. So the answer will be 9,409. Let's take another example, 8.9 whole square. For 8.9 we can also write it as 10 minus 1.1 whole square. Now here a will be 10 and b will be 1.1. Let's put this into formula. So 10 square minus 2 into 10 into 1.1 plus 1.1 square. Let's solve this. 100, 2 into 10 into 1.1 will be 22 plus 1.1 square will be 1.21. The answer will be 79.21. Okay, let's take another example, 2m minus n by 4 whole square. So here a will be 2m and b will be n by 4. Let's put this value into the formula. A square means 2m square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So 2m square will be 4m square. 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. M into n will be m n plus n square and 4 square will be 16. So this is how we can solve this question. Let's take another example. In this question we have to prove 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. So let's take first left hand side. Left hand side is this portion. So here you can see we can apply a plus b whole square identity here. So a will be 3x and b will be 7. Let's apply this formula. So a square means 3 into x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 7 plus b square minus 84x. 3x square will be 9x square plus 2 into 3 into 7 will be 42x plus 49 minus 84x. Now let's subtract the like terms. So we will be left with minus 42x plus 49. Look at these terms. Can we write it as 2 into 3x into 7, and we can also write it as 3 into x whole square, and for 49 we can write it as 7 square, and you can see the sign here which is minus. So seeing all these we can apply here. A square minus 2ab plus b square we know it is equal to a minus b whole square, where a will be 3x and b will be 7. So this equation we can write it as 3x minus 7 whole square, which is equal to right hand side. So that's it for the today's session. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can ask me on comment section. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing it. Thank you. Difference.